that's right, with an occasional sea snake on the side. But when they hunt, they don't dive under the water. Instead, they skim over the surface of the water and catch the fish with their sharp talons. Now, our pair of seagulls here talk all the time, and they sound like this. No, sounds more like a goose than an eagle, diba? Well, she may not be a talented singer, but she sure is graceful in flight. Want to show us, Sherry? Oh, there you go. Alright, well, palakpakan naman natin si Sherry. Now, you encountered some pretty amazing animals here today. Unfortunately, many people see these animals and want to take them home and turn them into pets. Now, they may mean well, but that's a very cruel thing to do. Wild animals do not make good pets. Sadly, many of them die in the care of humans. So please, kids, don't keep a wild animal as a pet. Instead, why not choose a domestic animal? Now, what do we have here? Oh, here we go. Meet Spot. Hey there, Spot. A dog makes a great pet. They're intelligent, they're sensitive, they're loyal, and always glad to see you. Now, a wise man once said, my goal in life is to be as good a man as my dog already thinks I am.